Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are well. I'm Jannat Ruma. Today I am going to take your English second paper class. And today I am going to discuss the topic nouns number. So let's see the definition. What is a nouns number? Okay students, let's see the definition of number. The number, the word that indicates the number of a person or thing is called number. That means if we know how many things or how many personal people are there, then it will be number. Like there is a one person. How many persons are there? One person. Then one is number. Then there are too many people or there is a crowd. Then how many people there? How many persons are there? There are too many people. Then many is the number. Okay, let's see how many kinds of number. There are two types of number. They are singular and plural. Singular and plural. How many kinds of a number? Two kinds of number. What are they? Singular and plural. Okay, you can see there are diagram number, singular, plural. Let's see the definition of singular number. The noun that indicates only one person or thing is called singular number. That means if the number shows us one person, not more than one, only one, single, then it is singular number. Like for example, man, boy, pen. There is only one. Next, plural number. The noun that indicates more than one person or things is called plural number. Example, man, boys, pens. So, if we know the person is how many, then if it indicates too many people, too many things, then it is plural number. Like here, Amy and men, that means it's plural. Boys, if we add s with boy, then it will indicate plural. Pens, if we add s with pen, then it will be pens. You can see here in the picture singular, plural. There are only one book here, and you can see here only book. It has written here. Plural, there are too many books. So this is plural, and we add s with book, then it will be plural books. So students, do you understand it? I hope you understood. Okay, now you will open. Now you will check your. Okay students, now you will take your the new grammar tree book, and from this book we are going to do exercise. For this you will open page number 18. Nouns number. So sometimes we have to make it clear how many, that is the number of the same kind of person or things. We are talking about one or more, that one. If it's one, then it's singular. One book, one, it's singular. One book, one pencil, it's singular. One boy, singular. One cat, singular. Okay, four books here, four, more than one. If we indicate more than one, then we will add s. So four books, you can see here too many books, like 1, 2, 3, 4, more than one. Six pencils, six pencil, we add here s, six pencil. Three boys, 1, 2, 3, it's more than one, and we will add here s, and it will be plural. Next, many cats. Look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 4 or 5 cats. If it indicates more than one, then it is plural number, and we will add here S. Okay, students? Then I think it's clear enough. So we'll move on to our next page, page number 19. Here, students, now page number 19. Here you can see some words. Here is written one and here is many. If indicate one book, then we will not add s, but if it's many, then we will add s. Like book, books, eye, eyes, friend, friends, house, houses, shirt, shirts, giraffe, giraffes. Next, cow, cows, pen, pens, sister, sisters, door, doors, skirt, skirts, elephant, elephants. Okay, students? Now you will help me to do this exercise. You will help me to do this exercise. Okay, number 1. One horse, 7 horses. Everyone look at the screen and help me to do this exercise. Okay? One horse, 7 horses. Okay, next. 1 dash 3 rulers. What should I write here? 3 rulers. And here what should I write? Can you tell me? There is 3 rulers. Now what should I write here? What should I write here? Rules. Ruler. We will write on ruler. Okay, R-U-L-E-R. You will write only ruler, not S. We will drop the S. We will not write here S. If it indicates 1, then we will not add S. We will write only ruler. Okay. Now, 1 lion, many. What should I write here? Many. Should I write lion or lions? What should I write here? Lions. We will add S. Okay, lions. Good. 1 picture, 4 pictures. We will add here S. Pictures. Pictures. We will add here S. Next. 1 dash 12 trees. Here 12 trees. Here is S. We will drop here the S. Trees. T-R-R-E. Tree. We will not add S here. 1 owl, 15. 1 owl and 15 what? 15 owls. We will add here S. Next. 1 dove, 2 doves. 1 dash 4 erasers. What should I write here? Eraser or erasers? What should I write here? Eraser. We will write only eraser. 1 hill, many hills. 1 hill, many hills. We will add here S. Next. 1 dash 3 computers. 1 computer. 1 computer. We will not add here S. Computer. Okay, next. 1 mountain, many mountains. We will add here S. If is it plural, then we will add S. Many mountains. Then on tray, 9 trays. On tray, 9 trays. 1 dash many ducks. 1 duck. We will drop the S. 1 dash many tables. 1 table. We will write here only table. 1 chair, 20 chairs. 20 chairs. 20 is more than 1. Then we will add here 1 S. 20 chairs. 1 flute, 6 flutes. 1 flute, 6 flutes. 1 dash 7 swans. 1 swan. We will add only swan. We will not add S. 1 crayon, 8 crayons. 1 crayon, 8 crayons. We will add here S. 1 hen, 5 hens. 1 hen, 5 hens. 1 apple, 20 apples. We will add here S. It's plural. So everyone, make it fast. Did you finish your writing? Make it fast. Okay, number 2. The queen put her crowns on her head. Here, queen can put only 1 crown, but there is crowns. Is it right or wrong? It's wrong. Then we will write here crown first. crowns. Then we will write the answer crown. Only one. Okay? We will not hear S. Next, number 3. Humpty Dumpty sat on the walls. Look at here, walls. How can I set two walls together? There will be one wall. Then we will write here wall and walls. Next, Rohan wore a pair of white shoes. A pair of white shoes. There are two shoes. It can't be one. That's why we will add here shoe. Then we will add shoes. We will add S. Number 5. The baker gave me 3 buns. Look at here, 3 buns. But there is plural. The word is singular. Then it is wrong. We will write here bun, then buns. Next, number 6. Number 6, I add 1 mangoes and 3 oranges. We will write here first mangoes, then mango, and orange and oranges. Number 7, Naeem has 1 pet dog. Look at here, 1 dogs. It's singular. Then we will not hear S. But 2 rabbit. Look at here, 2 rabbit. It's plural. Then we will add here S. Then we will write here dogs. Then dog. Next we will write here rabbit. Then rabbits. We will add here S. Rabbits. Next, mother put 1 shopping bags on the tables. Look at here. Mother put on shopping bag. 1 shopping bags. It's singular, but here is plural. So we will write here. We will write here bags. Then bag. Okay. Next, number 9. There are many animals. There are many animals in the forest. There are many animals. Many means it's plural. So we will add here S. Animal. On the tables. Okay, good. There will be table. Sorry, there will be table. Table. Then tables. We will drop the S. We will drop the S. Next, there are many animals in the forest. We will write here animals. Next, there are many roses in my garden. There are many roses. Look at here, many roses. It will be roses. Then we will write here rose and roses. Okay, done students. Our class time has finished. So, what you have written in your copy, it will be your homework. You will memorize all this today's lesson. So, that's all for today everyone. Allah Hafiz. See you in your next class.